Hello everyone and welcome to SEWACall, your smart and reliable wireless calling system. In this video, we'll show you how our SEWACall system can be integrated to your backend tool, such as MessageBox or any other tool your hotel may be using. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. So these are our handcrafted leather buttons, offering customizable icons, vibrant colors, and an elegant leather finish. This is the MessageBox backend, where you can see all the ongoing tasks. For example, if someone makes a call from a specific room, that call gets registered here in the backend and is assigned to that particular room. You can see the call here, showing guest room service, MISC RS for room 201. Once the staff attends the call in that room, they can press cancel, and the task will be closed directly from the backend. Let's look at another example. Suppose a guest requests tea or water. A new request will appear here, showing that the guest from a particular room is asking for tea or water. When a task is already open and the guest presses the button again, a new request is not raised. Instead, a comment is added indicating that the same request has been raised again by the guest. If you go to the chat section, it clearly shows that the request has been raised again. After attending the call, the staff can press cancel, and the call will automatically be closed in the system. Now here's another scenario. For example, if multiple calls are made at the same time, each call gets registered one by one in the system. Here you can see that multiple calls have been registered and continue to come in. As the staff attends each call and presses cancel from the respective rooms, the system automatically begins closing them one by one. And that's it. This is how our system can be seamlessly integrated to help you streamline your operations, upgrade to SEWACall, and take your business communication to the next level.